In this video cheat sheet, we will be configuring the OSPF router process. I will start off with the baseline show command, show IP OSPF, to display general information about OSPF routing processes. Then I'm going to configure the OSPF router process. Finish with the same baseline command, show IP OSPF, to see what changed, and show run pipe begin router OSPF to verify configurations. Let's look at the network topology. I will be configuring the OSPF router process on router 2. The OSPF process ID is a numeric value local to the router. It does not have to match process IDs on other routers. It is possible to run multiple OSPF processes on the same router. They are there to keep life sane for the router itself in the case of more than one simultaneous process. They are locally significant only and have no bearing on the structure of any OSPF packet or LSA update. So you can have a separate process ID on every single router in your network. I will enter my show command, show IP OSPF, on router 2. The output shows us that there is no OSPF routing process enabled. I'm going to enable OSPF routing process on router 2. Cisco routers may have up to 32 simultaneous processes. A single interface can only belong to a single process. OSPF processes can be from 1 to 65,535. I'm going to configure OSPF process 2 using command router OSPF 2 on global configuration mode. Now I'm going to enter again my show command, show IP OSPF, on router 2. As we can see now, we have an OSPF process running at router 2, which has process OSPF 1 and an ID of 2.2.2.2. I'm going to verify configurations entering command show run pipe begin router OSPF. From the output, we see configurations for OSPF process 2 I made on router 2. In this video cheat sheet, I configured an OSPF router process. I started off with the baseline show command, show IP OSPF, to display general information about OSPF routing processes. Then I configured OSPF router process 2 on router 2. Finish with the same baseline command, show IP OSPF, to see what changed, and the show run pipe begin router OSPF to verify configurations.